Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get more cookies in Cookie Clicker. Start by clicking fast for a solid bank, then buy cursors and grandmas early. Aim for upgrades that increase cookies per click and per second. Save for the first factory and upgrade multipliers as you earn more. Balance active clicking with passive income to unlock mid-game buildings faster and reach golden cookie targets more reliably. Identify key upgrades that give the biggest boost to your cookie per second and clicks. Buy multipliers when clicking feels weak, and target building upgrades that synergize across your setup. Track seasonal effects and prestige bonuses that deliver noticeable multipliers. Small boosts compound quickly, so plan purchases to avoid wasting cookies on low-impact items. This approach keeps progression smooth and accelerates unlocking powerful late-game options. Golden cookies are a major source of bursts and free upgrades, so click them as they appear and watch for chain opportunities. Combine frenzy effects with manual clicking or auto-clickers for massive short-term cookie spikes. Learn to time Wrath and Click Frenzy with your highest multipliers and seasonal bonuses. Prioritizing golden cookie management turns random events into predictable boosts and significantly speeds up your overall cookie accumulation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.